Fundador Komunidade Política Esterna Indonézia aprezenta ideia do estabelese Orden Mundiál Foun, hodi responde para dezafiu global.
Durante sai orador e a palestra nebe organiza o Presidência República, sexta-ne, fundador no presidente Komunidade Política Esterna Indonézia no enviado especial Timor-Leste Dino Pati Jalal apresenta ideia com a necessidade a estabelece Orden Mundiál Foun, também considera Orden Mundial atual hasoro dezafiu bot, a responde para dezafiu global o hinloron. Mas que nune Dino Pati sublinha kata que objetivo husine ideia a estabelece Orden Mundial Foun ne satu hasai instituição internacional sira nebe existiona, mas be atu hadia sistema aumenta cooperação, no cria mecanismo fon nebe precisa atu responde ba desafio global sira, inclui hadia fraqueza sira nebe makihal.
And this is why the title of my talk today, I don't want to call it a lecture, but just a talk is embracing the next world order. And you may ask, why next? Why not new world order, right? But the next world order means you have to accept and work on the basis of what you have. And the UN is always there, has always been there, and you're not going to do away with the UN. The EU is always there, you're not going to do away with the EU. ASEAN is always there, and you're not going to do away with that. So the next world order means working with what you have, fixing where the problem is, and adding stuff that you may need to add. AI, there's no governance as yet, space, and other things that will come up. Right? So the problem is the old system isn't working, isn't performing the way it used to be, and it's no longer fit for purpose. World order isn't working anymore. I want to just have some time, a little bit to talk about this before I talk about the next world order. The old system isn't working at least at 3 levels. Yeah, I think at the most important is at the multilateral level, or the UN. Yeah. The UN is critically important because the UN was the centerpiece of the post-war order that was created after World War II. So when they talk about what the new world would be, they form the organization called United Nations, and this is going to reflect how the world would be forever be different than the previous one.
Presidente da República José Ramos Horta aprecia a ideia fundador na Komunidade Política Esterna Indonézia com a Orden Mundiál Foun, também onde bele garante o paz na estabilidade mundial.
Hoje o tema que é importante, tema difícil, nova ordem mundial. Nova ordem mundial né sai da luz, atu mais neve, atu ba neve. E o senhor Dino Jalal dia argumento que a tese mas que ordem atual né deve mais a Segunda Guerra Mundial é que se domina quase 100% América e US, mas um saída nós atu sob ordem mundial né mas hare saída não tem cadeia para ordem mundial né bele garante paz, estabilidade, cooperação via mundo.
Ante sai orador e a palestra presidencial tinan rihon rua nulo resine série de hat com a Embracing the New World Order, Ramos Horta Mos condecora Dino Pati Jalal, hocolar Ordem Timor-Leste, no dar reconhecimento baninha contribuição sira nebe destacado ba diplomacia regional, relação internacional no cooperação pacífica. Equipa cobertura, GMN.